Let's talk business. Most entrepreneurs ask me what human-centered design is. Most people think it sounds like rocket science, but human-centered design is basically building products and services that are people-centric. And this is by looking at what is the problem that you're solving and who are you solving it for and how you're solving it. Most SMEs don't really factor this in when building their products and services. They primarily focus on the problem that they're solving and not who they're solving it for. So how can you be able to make your product or services or business more user-centric? One, by being able to profile who your target audience is, looking at their age, where they live, what they like, what they don't like, and then now building a product and service that is solving a problem that they have and that is meeting their need. Secondly, is finding that product market fit, where you're looking at what your product is or service and who the target user is, and finding the best way possible through which they can be able to use that product or service. And lastly, by also iterating or changing your product based on the needs and services, based on the user needs that they have. By this is basically evolving with the times. So say the economic situation is hurting your customers, how do you make sure that your product is still affordable to them, or how do you make it adaptable to the needs or the conditions that the users have or the constraints that they have, right? Is your product or service user-centric? Let us know here.